Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will be doing the Wonder Woman makeup tutorial. Before anything else, I will tie up my hair. And first thing first, we need to clean our face using Thayer Toner. I've just started using this alone as my skincare. Make sure to sweep all the dirt on your face. Next, I'm using MAC foundation in the shade of 6.0 and 1.0. I will mix both of these shades to match my skin tone. Then I will apply the foundation onto my face thinly because Wonder Woman has skin-like makeup in the movie, which is we want to attain. Then I will blend it patiently until the foundation is spread evenly onto my face. After that, I will be applying NYX Concealer to highlight my under eyes area, the chin part, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose to visually lift these areas. After highlighting my face, I will set it with powder foundation by using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade of 220 Natural Beige, lightly dusting my face and neck with powder foundation. Using BTLA Contour Kit, I will contour my cheeks, jaw, and forehead with the light bronzer and also the bridge of my nose line. And now it's time for brows. I'm using Maybelline Fashion Brow and an angled brush. Getting the middle shade, I'm following the shape of my brows. Heading to the eyeshadow. Getting my Beauty Glaze Perfect Neutral, I'm using the shade Mud for my transition color. Blending this shade on the outer corner of my eyes and the hollows of my lids. I'm letting the color patiently until it looks diffuse. Also, I'm putting the same shade on the lower lid to balance the color. Next, I'm using the clay shade to intensify the color on my outer corner of my eyes, and I'm dragging it to the hollows of my lids, then blend the harsh lines. Using the shade Cashmere, I will highlight my brow bone. Next, I will use the shade Glazed to highlight my tear ducts. Using the darkest shade in the palette, I will put a catline eyes close to my lash line. Then I will put a little bit on my lower lid. Then I will intensify the black line with the liquid eyeliner thinly. Then I will do the same process on the other eye. I will use the same shade that I put on my tear ducts, which is Cashmere, to highlight the tip of my nose to have the illusion of taller nose tip. Using Sunnies Face Lipstick in the shade of Vacay, I will apply this onto my lips. Next, using the same brand but in the shade of Major, I will apply this on my inner lips to have the gradient effect that Koreans are known for, but subtle, just a bit. For my blush, I saw the Sunnies Face lipstick, the Vacay shade, as a perfect shade for my blush, so I used this instead for natural looking blush skin. Then I will apply my lashes just like so. Many of my friends find it hard to apply this, but through practice, you will be able to do it perfectly. Trust me. After that, I will be using mascara, and I'm using Maybelline Hypercurl mascara and apply just like so. After that, I will apply my wig, tiara, and costume. Then, let's get ready to slay this look. And the look is complete. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more. You can comment down below for more suggestions on my next video. And you can follow me on these social media accounts. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!